In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite an accountant to a Xero account. To get started, open Xero and sign in to your account. Make sure you are logging into the correct organization before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one business inside Xero. Once you are in, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on your organization name. This opens the main menu for that account and gives you access to the settings you will need. From that menu, select Settings. This is where Xero keeps the account level controls, including user access and permissions. When the settings page opens, go to the General Settings area and find Users. Click on Users to open the list of people who currently have access to the account. This is also where you can manage invitations, adjust permissions, and review who can access your financial data. Next, click New User or Invite a User, depending on the version of Xero you are seeing. Xero's layout can vary slightly, but both options take you to the same place. You will then be asked to enter the new user's details. Type in your accountant's first name, last name, and email address carefully. It's a good idea to double-check the email before moving on because the invitation will be sent there and any typo could delay access. After entering those details, go to the Role drop-down. From the list of available roles, select Administrator for full access. This gives your accountant broad permissions inside the account, which is usually necessary if they will be helping with bookkeeping, reporting, reconciliations, or account setup. Before sending the invite, take a moment to confirm that you are comfortable granting that level of access, since administrator permissions allow a user to make significant changes. Once everything looks correct, click Send Invite. Xero will email the invitation to your accountant, and they will be able to accept it and join the account from their side. If they don't see the email right away, you may want to ask them to check their spam or junk folder. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.